The learning process is a tool for human development to coexist in a peaceful society, which leads to the stability and sustainability of livelihoods. Therefore, the community, which is a sub-society, has to create learning. The community, which consists of many local members, long history of settlement, culture, and tradition, which unite people. It later becomes community norms. It is a rite of passage that can be changed over time, but community spirit still exists. As the community expands and external factors causing change in social, economic, and environmental aspects, the learning of people in the community geared towards adapting to change and coping with problems. By allowing people in the community to learn how to think for solving problems together, improving the quality of life, and gaining benefit from fair development. In the event of local people can develop the community together, they have to acknowledge what the community has and learn the change that affect the way of living from normal life. That is community self-awareness as priority. บ้านหม้อ community is located in Chiang Mai province in Thailand. This community is an over 600 years old Asian community. Presently, the community leader is a female. Her name is Nitaya. She takes care of over 200 members of 25 households for well-being. She learned community management approach from previous leaders and adopt the sufficiency economic philosophy to community self-management. บ้านหม้อ community has the resources for occupation and food. They are natural water sources, aquatic animals, and fertile rice that can nourish people. Through the regular learning process between the community and active members, the value of the resources and the threats of the community resources are realized.
Our houses are an advantageous rural community. We preserve the old way of life, such as farming, growing vegetables, raising animals. We tell the villagers to conserve it, and I am the leader who will do it first.
When the community leader recognizes the problems and the change that affects their livings, the environmental health, to communicate information to community members, to accept the change in the starting point, to learn together because problems affect all members. Without a good quality of life, how can a leader be happy? The community committees come from representative groups, which are the elderly, housewives, volunteers, agriculturists, occupational team, and youth. Each group sent their representative to attend the meeting, offer information from their groups, and then receive the information from the meeting and updated it to their groups. The question is, if there is a community rule set, how long does it take to consider? The answer is, we do the setting or changing of the rules in the community meeting once a year. Therefore, the community leader is a key person who establishes the cooperation, learns to solve problems, and learns to adjust by exploring the problems, analyzing causes of the problems, prioritizing, decelerating, and impacts of problems that leads to a joint solution.